Hi everyone, welcome to Scrum Master.tech. One of the most common questions I get is a Scrum Master the same as Project Manager? Some people even say the Scrum Master is just a new name for Project Manager. Earlier we had Project Managers, now we call them Scrum Masters. But that assumption creates huge problems in real projects. So today, let's clearly understand Scrum Master versus Project Manager, roles, mindset, and responsibilities. First one is, why is this confusion exists? Let's be honest. Most organizations moved from waterfall to agile. They had project managers already. Instead of changing thinking, they simply changed the title. That's where confusion started. But in reality, Scrum Masters and project managers are very different roles. Second, what does a project manager do? Let's start with the project manager. A project manager is responsible for scope, schedule, budget, resources, risk management, and delivery commitments. In simple terms, a project manager is accountable for delivering the project. They usually assign tasks, track individual performance, control timelines, report status to leadership, take decisions on behalf of the team. This works well in predictive, plan-driven environments. Number three, what does a Scrum Master do? Now let's talk about the Scrum Master. A Scrum Master is not a manager, not a boss, not a task assigner. A Scrum Master is a servant leader. Their focus is on enabling the team, coaching agile mindset, ensuring Scrum is understood and applied correctly, removing impediments, creating a healthy environment for collaboration. In simple words, a Scrum Master is accountable for how the team works, not for managing people. Fourth, control versus enable. This is the core difference actually. This is the most important difference. Project manager controls work, controls people, controls decisions. Scrum Master enables work, empowers people, facilitates decisions. Project managers drive delivery, Scrum Masters enable sustainable delivery. Fifth, authority versus influence. Another key difference is authority. Project manager has positional authority, can instruct the team, can escalate and enforce decisions, whereas Scrum Master has no formal authority, leads through influence, builds trust, not fear. A Scrum Master does not say, do this now. Instead, they ask, what is blocking us from achieving our goal? Sixth, success metrics are different. Let's talk about how success is measured. For project manager success, on-time delivery within budget, scope completed. Whereas for Scrum Master success, team maturity, continuous improvement, predictable delivery, healthy team dynamics, value delivered to customers. One focuses on output, the other focuses on outcomes and sustainability. Seventh, can one person play both the roles? This is a very common question. The short answer, it is possible but very risky. Why? Because one role requires control, the other requires empowerment. When one person plays both, team gets mixed signals, trust reduces, Scrum becomes mechanical. In mature agile organizations, these roles are kept separate. 8. Why Scrum Masters fail when acting like PMs? Many Scrum Masters struggle because they micromanage, they chase deadlines, they report status instead of coaching, they focus on process, not people. That's not Scrum Master way. A Scrum Master who behaves like a project manager slowly kills self-organization. Ninth, simple one-line comparison. Let me simplify this with one line. A project manager manages the project, A Scrum Master enables the team to manage itself. So remember, Project Manager is delivery through control, whereas Scrum Master is delivery through empowerment. Both roles are valuable, both, but they are not the same. If you try to mix them without clarity, you will fail at both. If this explanation helped you, like the video, subscribe to scrummaster.tech, comment below, should a Scrum Master ever act like a project manager? See you in the next video.